Our signature 5-lever deadlocks makes our boxes the safest choice for your tools.
The unique design ensures the roller bearings won't get clogged and the drawers will always slide easily.
Optional dividers allow you to keep the right tools in the right place.
The Trekdror has been tested to take 1 tonne on top and in excess of 100 kg in the extended drawer.
There are multi-purpose fixing points for additional kits,
such as the optional mounting kit, which comes with all the nuts and bolts to take this straight through to the bed of your truck.
Or the stacking kit, to safely stack the units and save space.
With 3 different sizes to choose from, you'll definitely find one to suit you.
These are the most secure tool drawer on the market. Don't delay, order yours today.